Welcome to Crypto Me 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And this, as you know, is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. What are we going to be looking at today? We're going to be taking a look at Matic, which is Polygon Network, to see what you guys or the holders are onto. We know Ripple is doing the most. We're going to take a look at some Japan news. We're going to take a look at what BTC is doing and what XRP is really doing in the market, because XRP is just skyrocketing after, proving itself that it's not a stable coin. All right, also we're going to check the market cap, we're going to check the news, and we're going to check the chart to let you guys know if you need to sell the asset you're holding or you need to keep it. You understand? So these are more what we're going to be enjoying on the show today. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. All right, first of all, let's dive into the matter. Let's see what is going on in the news. The event, we need to check the event to know what will be coming up, so we'll be prepared for it, so you don't get caught and say, oh, my market just hit the stop loss, or this just happened, that happened. But the moment you're informed and you know what you're doing, definitely you know how to prepare yourself. So today, when you look at the market today, what we have in the market today is the economic calendar. Excuse me, where is it? So when you look at the economic calendar today, you can see what we have right here is just a news from CHL, which is coming in the next couple of minutes. Also, we have job opening. So basically, there's not much news coming up today. So I don't think we need to be stressed about it. I don't think we need to bother about it. We just need to make sure we follow the pattern of our chart on how the trade is going, because not much you can see. If you have so much important news, you're gonna see orange color, or you're gonna see a red color. But you can see we only have two red. One is gonna happen in a couple of minutes, while the next is around 3 p.m. GMT. So I haven't seen that there's not much to do or not much event or news that will be coming out of fundamental today. Let's check the market cap and see what the market cap looks like. And if you look at the market cap right here, you can see BTC has now crossed 3.4 trillion, now crossed 3.5. We are now on 3.6 trillion. I can't wait to experience 4 trillion US dollar cryptocurrency market cap. And we all know BTC still remain number one, as is still the dominance in the market with about almost 2 trillion market cap. And we can see ETH is number two, and XRP came third after flipping Solana and now flipping Theta, which is a stable coin. You can see XRP now is no longer a stable coin. It's showing itself that I'm an altcoin and I'm ready to compete in the market. So XRP is still going there. We're going to check the chart very soon. Solana is now number 5, Theta at number 4, BNB at number 6, Dogecoin at number 7, Cardano at number 8, USDC, which is a stable coin, also at number 9, Lido Stake at number 10, Avalanche at number 11, Tron number 12, Shiba Inu at number 13, Ton at number Ton Coin, which is a Ton network, at number 14, and Stellar is at number 15. And a lot of people are asking that if XRP is money like that, why is Stellar not doing the same thing? Maybe Stellar is going to follow up. So we might want to look into Stellar and see if we're going to get some, asset and just keep for ourselves, because the way this market are just moving these days, you won't believe it. We saw what Dogecoin did, what Solana did. Now XRP. The next one is going to be one of these old coins too that will just go parabolic. So you don't want to miss it. And that's why if you've not subscribed to this channel, please support your boy. It's just to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also make sure you share the video with your relatives so they can get to understand what is going on in the crypto community. So it's Crypto Me 101. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share. and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. You can follow me on Twitter, from X, formerly Twitter, where I share a lot of news as well, so you can be informed daily. And as well, you can follow me on Instagram to get some insight on what I'll be dropping, on Facebook as well, and on TikTok. So these are where you can follow all our content and make sure you are not left behind and you are fully informed so you can make the right decision when you want to trade or while you're trading. So I will know the market cap 3.66 trillion US dollars, approaching 3.7, and I can't wait to celebrate 4 trillion market cap cryptocurrency. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. From a billion, 5 billion, 500 billion, 1 trillion. Now see where we are. And you're not late, guys. Don't think you're late. You can still be part of this greatness that is happening in the crypto world. You just need good information, do your own research, and know what you're doing. And please do not invest with money you cannot afford to lose, because if you're a newcomer, you might be in between emotional and all those what will I call it, feelings, and you'll be making the wrong decisions. You need to make sure you do your own research, know what you're doing, and subscribe to channel like this where we give you insight on token you should buy, when you should get out, and when you should get in. And that is going to assist you in making right decision. Although we are not financial advisor, I am not financial advisor. We're just doing for educational purpose and also for entertainment purpose. So I will know what the event looks like today, and we now see what the market cap is looking like. Let's now take a look at some news and see what is really going on. One of the news I want to share first of all is MicroStrategy now added 15,400 Bitcoin to its portfolio. We all know Michael Saylor is a big on Bitcoin, and his company MicroStrategy has added 1.5 billion US dollar, which amounted to 15,400 Bitcoin to their portfolio, and now is even now pitching it to Microsoft to adopt the same strategy is using for BTC. So I think we are still on the high side. If you see these people still try to buy more Bitcoin. So Bitcoin to the moon, guys. Also, another news I would like to share with you is Dogecoin and other meme coins dip, while XRP shows massive growth. We all know XRP is the one ruling the game right now, flipping all coins. You understand? But now, meme coins and other Dogecoin and other meme coin, they start falling, and it's normal. I told you the way Dogecoin was going parabolic last 2 weeks or last week. I told you guys you need to be careful because it's still going to correct. And altcoin or meme coin season is coming. It starts from around January, February, then it take that peak from March, April, May, when Bitcoin whatever will now reach their peak and start falling down. So you are not late, but make sure you do not invest in any type of altcoin. You do not invest in any kind of meme coin. Make sure you do your own research and invest the amount you can afford to lose. Please, guys, do not just put any amount maybe meant for your school fees, meant for your kids, meant for your something that is very important into, because sometimes this thing you might think this is the right coin and it's not the right coin, you lose all your money. But when you subscribe to a channel like this, Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency and trading and even investment, you can never go wrong. Although not financial advice, always do your own research. So Dogecoin and other meme coins dip, while XRP shows massive growth. And now let's take a look at XRP itself. After talking about it shows a massive growth, XRP and its meme coin are going wild. And I'll tell you why we should look into XRP or any meme coin on XRP network. I will tell you why. Because we saw when Solana was doing the most, all the meme coins were going crazy. We saw when Ton Network was doing the most, all the meme coins were going crazy. We even saw when Bitcoin started moving after the ETF. All the Bitcoin that was an ordinals, which related to Bitcoin encryption, was going massive. So now that XRP is going massive, I'm not surprised the meme coins will start appreciating. It's always like that. It's no news. It's always like that. Their meme coins will always go parabolic. So you need to be careful when you're investing in one of those meme coins. So let's check another news. Another news right here is Coinbase integrate Apple Pay for free fiat to crypto purchase, including Bitcoin and Dogecoin. That's great news, guys. That is great news. That means now you can use Apple Pay to buy crypto, and you can buy BTC and Dogecoin using Coinbase. That is a good news. You can see gradually the integration and everything we're waiting for, they are coming to play, and that is what is going to help the adoption of cryptocurrency go massive, wider, and everybody will start spending crypto instead of fiat. So that's great news talking about Apple Pay. Also, let's take a look at this news from Japan, where it says Japanese cryptocurrency exchange DMM Bitcoin to shut down operation. You can see as we're having great news and happy, some people are still facing some challenges, but that is how it is. You understand? A lot of bubbles in the market, some are still going to bust, and we're not going to see the ones that are real. So this cryptocurrency in Japan is set to shut down its operation. Let's check one more news. Let's check one more news before we go to fear and greed, and check the chart first before fear and greed. Ripple price high $3 as XRP goes parabolic. So we're going to check the chart to see if you still need to buy XRP, or you need to hold on to it, or it's time to sell and just wait for correction. Now let's take a look at another news talking about you guys are holding on to Polygon. Great news are coming. Matic price Polygon, that's Polygon network, set stage for rally, which is now 0.8 inside. We're going to check that chart shortly so you can see if we need to grab that quickly so we can be part of people that will make money from it when it starts going parabolic as well. So let's check the last news but not the least. The least but not the last. Now this is Coinbase adds what? MemeCoin Moondeng to listing road map. That is great news for Moondeng, and a lot of people have been promoting Moondeng, influencers, and a lot of that. Make sure you do your research. But now Coinbase is about listed and is among their listing road map. So for holders of Moondeng, you might just want to hold on to it and see after listing, probably it's still going to get a little bit parabolic. But what I tell you is make sure you look at the chart. The chart is your fortune teller, and it's going to tell you when you need to get out of the market or when you need to stay. So that's what I have for you when it comes to the new segment of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. I still remain myself. I met Oladimeji Kazeem, aka KC the Great. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, I urge you and I beg you to do so right now. Subscribe. It's Crypto Be 101. Like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get the juicy and the valuable information we drop every day. Also, you can follow us on X, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Guys, it's Crypto Being 101 on all platforms. All right, let's now go to what everyone is waiting for, which is the chart analysis. Yeah, if you look at the chart analysis yesterday, what did I tell you? I told you we have a buy here until we break below this point. That is when you need to sell your Bitcoin. If you watched my episode yesterday, I told you until we break below 94.7 thereabouts. Yeah, below 94,700. Yeah, 94,700 or 500. That's what I said. When we break below it conveniently, that is when you need to get out of the market. So what we're going to see, we're going to see if we're going to see a break below this red. If there's any break below this red, I'm expecting us to get out of BTC. But if it fails to break it, it's just a retest. We might see continuation moving ahead. So if you're still holding on to BTC, I'll tell you it's not yet time to sell. Let's break this zone. If you break this zone, then yes, I can tell us we can sell BTC. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Like we normally do, BTC then Ethereum. Ethereum is now a sell. Ethereum, to me, you can now get out of Ethereum because you can see I put this red yesterday that if you break below this, you should get out of the market. So I'm going to tell you, if you're holding on to ETH right now, you might want to close and wait to see if today candle is going to become green. Then by tomorrow we might look into getting in back. But if I'm holding on to Ethereum right now, I'll probably sell right now because we have a daily candle that has now invalidate previous daily candle, and these might continue just coming down to form something around that area. So Ethereum right now, please, you can sell. Not financial advice anyway, but it's just with my experience and what I've noticed in the market, and that's why I'm trying to share what I know with you. All right, let's see Dogecoin. Dogecoin and other meme coin, they've been dipping. Yes, you can see Dogecoin too is now a sell. Dogecoin is a sell because it break above this. So Dogecoin is a sell. Get out of Dogecoin. We break above that red point. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana was a sell yesterday. You see, Solana still remain a sell. Let's go to Ton. Ton was appreciating yesterday. Ton now is a sell too because you can see invalidated here, and this was the main sell here. So we're just going to see if this today candle is going to remain green. Then the moment we break above it, we can get back into Ton network. All right, now let's check XRP, almighty XRP. You can see XRP is still a buy. XRP is still a buy. Why is still a buy? This was our stop loss yesterday. If you remember, this was our stop loss. Now, this is now our new stop loss. XRP is still what? XRP is still a buy, guys. XRP is still a buy. So if you're holding on to XRP, please don't sell yet. Don't sell yet. It's still a buy. XRP is still a buy. So if you're holding on to it, please keep holding. XRP is still a buy. Not financial advice anyway. Make sure you do your research. But XRP is still a buy. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can tell you when you should get out of XRP. So let's check some meme coins, since a lot of meme coins started dipping with Dogecoin. Let's check dogs. Let's check dogs. Dogs is still a sell. Let's check Shiba Inu. Let's check X. Let's check X. X is still a sell. Let's check Pepe. Let's check Pepe. Pepe is still a sell right now. Let's check Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is still a buy. Shiba Inu is still a buy. Shiba Inu has not invalidated. You see my green right here. It has not been invalidated. To me, Shiba Inu is still a buy. I feel like Shiba Inu might continue the rally. Shiba Inu is still a buy. This is where we need to get out, except we break below there. So that is just what we're looking at the charts. If you want to get signal for derivative futures and options trading, please make sure you subscribe to my channels. The links are down in the description. That is where you can do derivative and all of that. These are for holders, people that are buying and holding, not for derivatives. These are for you buy, you hold it, and you sell. Then you let it come down again, you buy. That's what I do on the Bitcoin and Breakfast show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. But if you want to learn how to get into the market now, leave the market now, that is derivatives trading, futures trading, and all of that. Links are down in the description. You can subscribe to my Discord channel, Telegram channel. It's all free. My signals are all free. You make money free of charge. The community is free for everyone. You're not paying any dime. It's all free. You can be part of greatness that is happening. And also, if you have any token you want me to take a look at, or you have any project you're holding on to, you want me to analyze it for you, just drop the comments in the comment section. I'll look at it and I'll analyze it for you, or you can send me a DM on one of our social handles to ask questions about any project you're holding. I promise you I'll respond and I'll help you out. So I don't know what is happening about the chart and all of that. We still know the coin we're supposed to hold on to, the coin we need to sell. Let's now check what's the fear and greed. And if you look at the fear and greed right now, is sitting at extreme greed still. Yesterday was extreme greed, right now extreme greed. Last week was extreme greed. Last month was greed. So it's still greed. So there will be a lot of volatility, a lot of volatility. And you cannot argue with me. We have so much volatility going on in BTC. Let me show you, not for people holding, for traders. Let me show you if you're trading. Let's just use an hour candle to show. You can see, what is this? This is rubbish. You see, this is pure rubbish. Volatility. Why? Because it's extreme greed. Because it's what? Is extreme greed. So you guys just need to be careful and make sure you know what you're doing right there. So that's what I have for you on the show today. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. It's Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And as to remain myself, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Peace.